Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the videopreneur, and we're at Bill Thomas Camper. This is a 2026 Grand Design Reflection 311 BHS, and I'm looking forward to showing you the inside and seeing any comments. I do want to show you the outside kitchen, and they've got them stacked in here pretty tight. But I want to show you this outdoor kitchen. It is very impressive. I'm going to back up. So if it's drizzling, even if it's raining, you got cover there, 3 cabinets, sink, 2-burner cooktop. You've got a nice drawer here for tools, implements, whatever. Refrigerator for your cold drinks. Rather nice setup. And let me button this up and then we'll get on the inside. So first time seeing this, I was kind of surprised when I saw the inside, and that's what I'm curious as to your feedback. 311 BHS badging. So right when you walk in, we have the steps to the right. Here we have your power controls, kitchen, center island. We have dining table, theater seating, flat screen TV, fireplace. I really wasn't expecting this much back here. So we have a couch, upper bunk. We have a bunk here, steps up to that bunk, 3 nice sized drawers, plenty of storage. And then we have this cabinet, which allows for hanging up clothes as well as we turn. And this was another surprise for me. I kind of suspected it when I saw the entertainment and the fireplace, kind of an offset, but rather nice, and curious of what as to your thoughts. And then something new I've shown plenty of times, but they put all of the badging here, or the name tags, to draw your attention to it. That way you don't miss it. And if this wasn't here, I don't think most people would even notice, including myself. But there's your pet feeding and watering station, refrigerator, freezer, 3-burner cooktop, microwave oven, conventional oven. I did not show the pantry, which is a game changer for a lot of people. So we have the pantry. We have a bank of cabinets and drawers. We'll go up the short flight of steps, and we have a bathroom, corner, radius shower. Plenty of storage here for the bedroom. So you have 2 cabinets. You have the drawers and a window for cross ventilation, as you can see with this window over here. We had HVAC, your TV backer location if you decide to put in a TV. Nice sized bedroom. I struggle, I'm taller, so having that step up, if you're not careful, you jam your neck, and I've done it. That's how I know. We'll go back down into the kitchen and gathering area, close this bathroom door. So again, 2026 Grand Design 311 BHS. Curious as to your thoughts, your feedback. Again, it's offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. They'll be happy to help you in any way. Thank you again.